Recently, the Commonwealth Government and the Northern Territory Government introduced CNS to the Northern Territory. This video is briefly going to explain to you how you can use CNS when in lockup.
If you have trouble and end up at the police station, you have a right to a welfare check and legal information. The law says the police must call CNS. NAAJA CNS helps keep our people safe in custody.
When you are in the watch house, you can ask the police to call NAAJA CNS. NAAJA CNS is a 24-hour, 7-day-week service. The CNS worker will ask you, "Are you okay?" and make sure the police keep you safe. The CNS worker can also give you some legal information. And remember, what you tell the CNS worker is confidential. They will keep it a secret. So, what kind of information can the CNS worker tell you? The CNS worker can talk to you about your charges, your rights, and explain what will happen while you are in custody. You can also tell the CNS worker if you are sick, hurt, or need to take medicine, or if you're feeling like you want to hurt yourself. You can tell the CNS worker all of this information. The CNS worker can work with the police to make sure you get medical help, or maybe if you are hungry, thirsty, need a change of clothes, the CNS worker can speak to the police about that too. Lastly, the CNS worker can contact your family and friends to make sure they know where you are. They can also offer you different support services for when you get out of the watch house. Remember, you have a right to legal information and welfare. The law says the police must call CNS. NAAJA CNS helps keep our people safe in custody. Please share this video with your friends and family.